In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete someone on Messenger. Now, say for example, you are talking to a particular person and you don't want to talk to that one or see them. I'm going to show you ways that you can do in order for you to get that done. The first thing is the most used one, and what you're going to do is just delete them by just heading over to their profile here on message. You're just going to long press, and then there is the option to block them from here. If you are going to block them, let's just go ahead and do it real quick. All right, now that we have blocked it, if we are going to click this one, you should be able to see that now we have blocked this particular person. Now, what's going to happen is we won't be able to message or receive anything from this person, and in return, they also won't be able to see us. Now, you can also just go ahead and add this to your archive or just delete the conversation that you have with that particular person in order for you to totally get rid of them from your messenger. Now, another thing that you can do is head over here to this three dots. We're just going to click on this settings, and then let's go ahead and scroll down to see more in account center. From this point forward, go ahead and click your information and permissions. Let's go ahead and look for upload contacts, and then we're gonna choose messenger. Now here, what we're gonna do is to disable the uploading of contacts. So we're gonna click this one and then turn this off. We're also going to click manage contacts, and we're just going to go ahead and delete all of the contacts that I have here or that I have uploaded here on Facebook. So I'm gonna click the delete all button right there. And then if we are going to scroll down, you can see that everyone has been deleted. So what's just going to happen is that it is just going to prevent you from seeing that particular person messaging you and contacting you here on Messenger. And that, everybody, is how you're going to delete someone on Messenger.